Hello everyone, in this Blender tutorial I'm going to make realistic clouds, and to start I will add a meta ball, duplicate it by pressing Shift D to make the general shape of the cloud, and once you're satisfied with the shape, convert it into a mesh. Now switch to render view, add the sunlight and change the angle to get some nice shadow on the cloud. Snap the camera to view. I will hide the floor X and Y axis. In the shader editor, switch from object to world. You can add a sky texture and connect it to the background. This will generate a realistic sky. Or you can make the sky manually using color ramp. And to control where to position colors, I will use a texture coordinate over the vertical direction. Then I will use a math node set to subtract so I can shift the position of the gradient up or down. Now back to object, add a new material. I will name it clouds and just leave that for now. I will switch to geometry node, add a new geometry group. I want to convert this mesh to volume. You can change the density. Distribute points in volume. Convert these points to volume. You can change the radius. Set material. Select the material that we have created, which is clouds. Now back to shader editor. For this material, delete the principled shader. I want to use volume instead, so search for principled volume and plug volume up to the volume of the material output, because what we're working on is a volume material. Now let's set up a displacement texture. So if you want to give the texture that extra depth, start by setting the render engine to cycle. And in the color management tab, change the view transfer to standard for more accurate colors in our viewport. Now I will connect a Voronoi texture. In the height factor, displacement node should be connected to the material output. Now in the material properties, head to setting, change it to displacement only. To make the cloud more realistic, we need to control the density using a texture. So I will add a noise texture and connect it to the density input of the principled volume to tell where the density is going to be on this object. You can also add a displace modifier. Add a new texture, choose clouds. And you can increase the strength a little bit.